Lesson 10.1, Simplifying Square Roots. So this is a big thing in mathematics. There's two ways to do it. I look for the perfect squares. 1 squared is 1, although I don't actually look for that. 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49. After that, you should be in pretty good shape. So I look for that and I just say, well, this is equal to root 4, that's this one, times root 5, which is 2 root 5. But a much more popular way among my students would appear to be to break this down. Take your pairs, cross them off 2 at a time, but write them down 1 at a time. Whatever's left over goes inside. That's it. So here's some examples. I'm going to do them very quickly. So if you want to pause the recording and try them yourself, now's the time. And that's it. Now we're going to rationalize some fractions with radicals on the bottom. We can't have a radical on the bottom, so we have to rationalize it. The process is very easy. You multiply it by root 2 over root 2. The bottom's root 2 times root 2, which of course is just 2. A lot of people get confused by that, so I'll just do it here. That's the bottom. And the top is just root 2. It's rationalized. We put the radical on top so that when we go to mess with it later, we'll know all the radicals are on top, and we'll know which radicals we can combine and which ones we can't. So again, just root 3 over root 3, 3 root 3 over 3, and we always check to see if we can reduce. In this case, we can. And here we could actually break this down first if we wanted, which actually I'm going to do. I think if you ever see this, you should probably break it down. Because then we reduce. We get 2 over root 3. Rationalize it. Done. So why bother? I mean, where's this tie in with geometry? It just seems like it's kind of plucked out of thin air. Well, let's say you have a right triangle, and the sides are 4 and 8. I want to know what the hypotenuse is. Well, we thag it out. And we get root 80. Well, can't just leave it, so let's break it down. 16 and 5, 8 and 2, 4 and 2, 2 and 2. I'm going to bring it all the way down here in red so we can see it. Equals pair 2, pair 2, 5 equals 4 root 5. So now we've solved it in radical terms. That's it. Good luck.